Imagine this. My name's Ben, and you just hired me part-time to work in this office for you for free. This is your home inspection business office, and you have me working with you for the next 7 days on those projects that you've posted on your wall. Those 7 projects to build and boost your home inspection business, from branding and websites to marketing and growth. And if that sounds interesting to you, and you want to hire me to work with you for the next 7 days on building and growing your home inspection business in this office for free, just visit natchi.org/7days and sign me up. It'll be fun. And this is free, online, and open to everyone, InterNatchi members and non-members alike. No credit card required. The goal here is for you and me to work together on your home inspection business to make you more money and to be more successful so you can make a great living. Sign me up to work for you for free right now at natchi.org/7days.